Hiccups, the tiny ninja attack on your throat, but what actually causes them? Here's the deal. Hiccups happen when your diaphragm, that muscle just below your lungs, suddenly spasms. This spasm forces you to suck in air super fast and your vocal cords snap shut, making that classic hic noise. But why does your diaphragm freak out? Well, it could be eating too fast, gulping down fizzy drinks, a sudden change in temperature, or even just laughing too hard. Yep, even excitement or stress can trigger it. Most hiccups vanish on their own in a few minutes, but if they stick around for hours, it might be time to check with a doctor. So next time you get the hiccups, remember, it's just your body's way of hitting the reset button. Got any weird hiccup cures? Drop them in the comments. And don't forget to hit follow for more fun facts.